Hello everyone, this is the Motion Nerd right here, and today we're going to be taking a look at how to make this effect in After Effects, which is the broken glass effect. It's actually such a cool effect that you can use in your music videos to add a kind of unique style to any shot you desire. So it's not really complex, and I'm going to be showing you some steps and how to do it and how to make it reusable with any shot and any example or any type of glass you have, any image. You don't have to stick with this one because I went ahead and asked Gemini to make me one, which is this one, and I prefer it, to be honest, other than the one that I've got from FreePic, which is this one that I've been using. This one, yeah, this one right here. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and see how we can do this. I'm gonna be showing you, we're gonna start over, and what we're gonna be doing is create another one here. Just go ahead and delete everything, and here we have our shot. So the first thing we do is we bring in the image of the shattered glass. We have the image of the shattered glass here. We can keep it this way, or you can choose whatever styling you want for it. I would suggest that you move the anchor point here. As I was saying, you try to bring the hole wherever you want. I'm gonna be giving you the prompt to generate this kind of images with Gemini. It's not really that big of a deal, but it's fairly easy. So first thing we do is use this screen blending mode. And to make this effect reusable, we will have to do something. We're going to be using a trick of adjustment layers, so we don't apply it indirectly to the layer, so we create an adjustment layer. And what we do, let me make this adjustment layer large enough so if you want to do something off screen, or we want to move things, we can move them freely without any problem. If you want to use a wiggle, or want to use some camera shake or rotation, we will have enough room to play with. So first of all, we go ahead and start to make some masks around some cracks like this one right here. Just go ahead. Let's create another one. Let's go this. Exactly. And I'm going to be showing you the effect right away so we don't waste any time. What we do is we go ahead and check for the effect transform and apply it to our effect or our layer. Make sure that you have it below the glass effect so it doesn't actually affect it. And we go ahead and we play with the scale somehow like this. And any other attribute or any other property you want, maybe the position, you can play with whatever you want, and this will only affect the area where the adjustment layer is masked. So we can add another mask just like this, and it's gonna affect it easily. What we do again, we want to do something else. We duplicate this, go ahead to M, select the masks, remove them, and maybe make this one more, but we need it only to affect some parts. And what I usually do, we will come to this dispersion or like prism effect right here, because I did it here, which is fairly easy. It's not gonna be something really that much. So what we do is create another adjustment layer. We duplicate this and make it visible. Use the curves, apply it on it. Let's see, and just we need this to be a little bit like this. Yeah, just like this. We need to crank the highlights a bit to make it more white, and let's make it all white using the tint or number. Let's do this to have perfect black and neutral values, so you can use them as alphas. So what we do, we take this peak web here and do this and use this right here, so it takes the alpha values instead of the chroma values or something like this. Let's take this back, and what we do is a color emboss. We add it to our it's a bit over the edge right there. We add these colors, some colors for prism, which has red and a bit of green, and we go ahead and apply color to them, but put them behind this one so they just appear mildly and don't take over the play these. You can change the colors however you want, make it a little bit like this, so it just needs to be subtle, so it doesn't need to be that much. As you can see, it's subtle, but it is there, if you know what I mean. So this is like the whole effect, but we can go ahead and add a bit of blur. I usually use fastbox blur because it's fast and it doesn't really take up that much of power and performance. And so this is just right here. We can add the blur here as well. Maybe we can make it extra so we can see the effect clear. So what we do lastly, if we want to control this better, we go ahead, select everything but the main footage, link them to this, and so we can actually make our shot here in the middle, and we can go ahead, add another null layer, so only use it for the previous null layer, which controls every layer but the main footage, and link the main footage to it as well. Alt click, go ahead, wiggle 1 by I guess 7, and then we have our effect here. And as I said, you should go ahead and do this for all the cracks, and you will have a better effect, really better effect. So I'm just using this for a few cracks, and doesn't show that much, but yeah, using it for more cracks and stuff will really sell the effect more. And yeah, I guess that's it for this video, guys. See you next time. Peace.